Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. This is Naturally DCS TV, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get rid of your hair lice. Yes, are you suffering from hair lice that makes you be scratching your hair, giving you sores? Yes, then I think this video is really good for you. But before we get into the video, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. This homemade remedy that I'm coming to show you is so accessible. You can get access to it anywhere you found yourself, especially in the kitchen and even in the market. So now, without wasting much time, please let's get. Alright guys, so in the video we need 2 cloves of garlic, and garlic is accessible in the kitchen, in the market, wherever we use some in our food. And you know very well it does only not help promote hair growth, but it also helps condition the scalp and also gets rid of your hair lice. So you get 2 big cloves of garlic here. Go ahead, you need a grater, you grate it. This is so simple, so easy to do. Make sure you grate your garlic very well, as you can see that I have done here. Make sure you collect all the. Alright, so at this stage the next step is going to be lemon. Yes, lemon also helps condition the scalp and also improve any sores that is there caused by the biting of the lice on your scalp. And you know very well the scent of the garlic, lice don't like the scent of it. So I've cut my lemon into 1/3, half, going ahead to squeeze it. Depends on your hair, you can use the whole 4 or even 2 of it. Make sure you mix it very well. You mix it very well. You need a bowl here and a strainer. Go ahead, then you strain it. You squeeze the water out of the shaft, as you can see. You can do it in a big quantity. Add more of the lemon to it to get more of the juice for your scalp. So I'm done. My next stage is going to be neem oil. I have my homemade neem oil here. Yes, and neem oil also helps with dandruff and with the lice. So I'm going ahead to add some few drops of it. I'll leave the link in the description box below how to make your own neem oil. So at this stage I'll make sure I'll stir it. You can use an applicator bottle or you use a cotton ball. You put them so assuming that's your scalp, you apply it into your scalp. Yes, so everything is really made into your scalp. Then you cover it with a plastic bag for 30 minutes. Yes, for 30 minutes. Then you rinse it off with water. All right, so if you come to the end of the video, if my video is very good and very informative, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also to subscribe.